Okay, when you first get to the customers and you want to do a service call, you're probably doing a semi-annual, so the one for sure thing you're going to do is change the blade, because we don't like the banks to change their own blade. You're going to kind of just take an assessment of what the machine looks like first. It'll probably be dirty. It might have the covers off, running with a little micro switches taped up. By the time you leave, you want to make sure that the micro switches are untaped and the covers are on for safety, just so that when you're gone, you can be assured that it's running with all three covers. There's a cover on the shear, a cover on the stitcher, and a cover on the taper. Each one has a little micro switch on the right side of the shear, on the left side up here of the stitcher, on the right side of the taper. I'll show you where those are when we take the covers off. There's 7 micro switches on the machine. They're all exactly the same. There's a safety one down here, which you can't see right now, but we'll look at it. It's to activate the shear. So there's one here, 2, there's one on side here inside the motor to stop it when it makes its revolution, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 5 on the front, which activates to do the taper when you push it in, 6 on the side, and 1 down here, the 7th one, is for the eccentric with the lobe on it that closes up and clamps over the tape. Probably one thing you want to do is just, like I say, make an assessment that it's going to be dirty, and you want to try to clean it a little bit, and we'll go over each one of the components cleaning and how to lubricate the stitcher and how to change the blade and how to replace the roll. But just make sure things are tightened up, because they do loosen over time. We will start with the left side of the machine here shortly, and I'll show you how to change a blade.